First, we need to apply pretreatment solution to the black t-shirt. We mix the pretreatment liquid with water according to the specified ratio. After shaking the mixture evenly, we spray the pretreatment evenly onto the fabric. After spraying, we let the garment rest for a short period of time. Then we heat press it to remove moisture and wrinkles, creating a flatter printing surface. The flatter the surface, the more even the white underbase will be, and the more stable the color layer will be afterward. Next, we secure the t-shirt on the DTG platen to keep it firmly in place. After that, we select the artwork file on the computer. Start printing. For black t-shirt, we typically print a white underbase. First, its coverage determines whether the colors on top can truly pop. The stronger the underbase, the more saturated and dimensional the final colors will look. Once printing is done, let's take a quick look at the initial result. Then we place it into the curing oven to ensure wash durability and a stable surface finish. Finally, we check the finished print edge sharpness, color accuracy, and overall hand feel.